Hi everyone, today we're making beef chow fun or stir-fry rice noodles with beef. If you like tender beef steak and soft rice noodles, then this is the dish for you. So let me show you how. First, let's talk about the beef. Choose a leaner cut. Here I'm using a skirt steak, but sirloin would be great too. There are a couple of techniques to make super tender stir-fry beef. One is to cut the meat across the grain to break up the meat fibers. Then marinate the meat with salt, Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, black pepper, and a bit of baking soda. This is the second secret in making super tender meat in stir fries, as well as adding some cornstarch and water. Mix together vigorously until all the liquids have been absorbed by the beef. Then set it aside and marinate for 10 minutes. Next, let's prepare the accompanying vegetables. I'm using onions and Chinese chives. If you cannot find Chinese chives, just use scallions. Cut them into bite-sized strips, and the prep is done. Here's everything you'll find in our beef chow fun: rice noodles, onions and chives, sugar, white pepper, light and dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, marinated beef, and finally bean sprouts. This dish cooks over high heat in just a few minutes, so have everything prepared and ready to go before heating up some oil over high heat in a wok or pan. Then when the oil is heated, add in the beef and very quickly separate each piece in the hot oil. Stir fry for a minute or two or until the beef is about 80% cooked through. Then take it out of the pan. In the same pan, add more oil and toss in the onions and thicker part of the Chinese chives. Stir fry for 1 minute. Then toss in the bean sprouts. Rice noodles on top. Light and dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then stir fry everything together for 1 to 2 minutes. Add back in the beef and the rest of the chives. Sprinkle in some white pepper and sugar. Stir fry for another minute, and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, a classic Cantonese restaurant dish done at home. This simple meal really highlights the tenderness of the beef and the bounciness of the fresh rice noodles. Make sure to get your hands on the best ingredients, and this plate of delicious fried noodles will come together in minutes. But if you can't find fresh rice noodles, definitely check out my recipe for how to make them from scratch. And as always, check out my blog for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.